So I'm sure you all have engaged in some really meaningful dialogue in addressing these questions, first with your partner, and then also with the larger group discussion. And these will be the types of questions that we'll wrestle with after we read certain content, after we listen to certain video lectures. Except as opposed to only partnering with one person, I will also assign you two groups of about 5 to 6 people so that you can really engage and learn from each other. Again, thinking about Freire's tenet that through effective dialogue, new knowledge and new information can then be generated through this shared approach. So with time, it's my hope that you'll become, for those of you who might not be comfortable, to become more comfortable with this process and really understanding that each person in this space has a perspective, has a voice that has value, even if it is a different perspective or opinion that we don't agree with. We're going to cultivate that type of space and also develop some guidelines about what those dialogue groups need to look like and what our conversation within the class in general needs to look like. And so we'll also start to lay those ground rules on Monday. Again, I want to thank you all for engaging in this process that I know is a little bit unorthodox with me not being physically present. But one of the things that we can appreciate about technology and advancements is that there are some creative things that we can do. But for Friday's class, you do not have to physically be present in the classroom. You will have a lecture to listen to on ELC. So I will provide a link to an hour-long video lecture presented by Dr. Ken Hardy. And then I'll also do a similar screencast lesson to the one that I've presented to you all today. You'll have a brief activity to complete at the end of the lesson, and then I'm also going to ask that activity that you'll complete, that you bring it to Monday's class. Feel free to email me if you have questions, concerns, comments. My information is in the syllabus. I will respond to you in a timely fashion, again, related to the course expectations, anything that you might have for me in general. Feel free to follow up with me. I hope that you have a wonderful remainder of your first week of classes, and I anxiously anticipate meeting you all and seeing you face to face on Monday. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.